Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is also available in light and dark mode. As you can see, it is totally responsive website. That is, it is available in the mobile and tab version also. Definitely, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So let's go on to the website. So this is the about page, the starting page. And here I have mentioned, you can see the box effect around each and every form thing that I do. That is web development, web design, YouTube, and for photography. We have integrated SVG files into here, icons. Then we can see the border effect around the image, and we have the icons, and you can see the box shadow effect around the icons. Then you can see the hover effect on the social media icons, and you can also see the hover effect on the companies. Then we have this swiper function, you can see moving from one to another. Then we can go to the resume section, and in the resume section, you can see how we neatly designed it using the CSS and CSS. And you can see this entire bar representation of the skills. Then we have portfolio section, and you can see in portfolio section we have applied filter. That is all. Then web development, we can will only get the web development projects, and in the web design we put only the web design projects. And you can see the hover effect and eye icon for demo section. So in all, we get every element that is present, every project that we have done. You can see the smooth hovering effect. Then we can go to the contact section. You can see in the contact section we have integrated the GPS. Then we have the contact form. You can see the red background around it. So until we enter any data, it will show red background, and when we enter the data, it will show that the user has entered. And for the email address also, if you enter the data also, it is not showing yellow color, but it's still showing that it is an error. So you have to mention at the date gmail.com to specify that yes, we have entered the Gmail. This is the validation. By using the JavaScript, I have done this validation form. So you have to mention every detail. And if you don't mention this message and if you try to submit the button, you can see error that it won't allow you to submit. So you have to mention some data in the message. Then it will allow you to submit. You can see the hover effect on the submit button. And you can change the uh, light mode to dark mode by using this icon. By clicking on this icon, you can move from light mode to dark mode. So now this is the light mode. You can see in website the background border colors have changed to white, pure white. You can see next we can go to the resume section. You see the border effects, portfolio, the filter effect, and then contact section. Let's see the hover effect on the button. This website is entirely responsive. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in desktop version. You can see this is the desktop version that we have seen up to now. Now let's go to the this is the you can see this is the tab version of the website, and we can see small button effect which reveals our email ID, personal details like place, date of birth and location, and our social media icons. Like by clicking on it, it will be made invisible. And you can see the tab version with the light mode. Then this website is also available on mobile version. Let me show you that. See the mobile version of this website. So here we can see this is the mobile version. You can see the button effect. Then you can see the navbar is available bottom to the page. We can go from Here you can see this is the education section, resume, then portfolio, and you can see the filter here also, web development and web design, you can see, and then all by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript combinedly, we have got this filter functionality for our website. Then we can go to the contact, and by using this button, we can change the theme of the portfolio to light mode. You can see that. See the transition from light mode to dark mode, the button effects, and the box shadow effects. So it is totally responsive website available in light and dark mode. If you want to build this project, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And full tutorials for responsive portfolios and for responsive websites are available with line-to-line code explanation. Please visit the channel. And if you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section which website you like the most and what website that you want me to build next. Thank you so much for your precious time. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Now let's go through the each and every page. Right now we are in the home page. You can see the navbar, and you can see the hover effect, underline hover effect, as well as we have included the icons into our navbar, like the briefcase, fire, as well as home icon. And you can see the Abhiram is highlighted, and we have created a mask using SVG. Then we have the contact. You can see the hover effect, box shadow effect over it, and you can see that we have integrated the social media icons, as well as whenever you hover onto it, the color changes. Then you can see that the smooth transition revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript, and you can see the box shadow effect around each and every skill that we have added. And you can see we have also integrated the icons here. Then we can go to the portfolio section, and in the portfolio section you can see when we hover onto it, we will get an page layout, a blur layout, where you can see we have also linked our Instagram, Facebook, and GitHub links, so that you can be able to view this website, the portfolio, the projects that we have previously worked upon. Then we can go to the about section. You can see small about section we have here, and then we have the contact me form. You can see that the smooth revealing effect is done by using the JavaScript library, and the animation is very pure. It is a very responsive portfolio website. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in desktop version. Let me show you the website to you. This is the desktop version. Now let's go to the mobile version of this website. So this is the mobile version of this website. As you can see, this they are perfectly aligned with each and every section is aligned to the exact size of the page. And you can see that we have also added our menu bar here. You can see the menu bar, clearly menu bar, very responsive and moving with a precision to the particular section that we want. And this entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So it is a very beginner friendly website. It is a very much professional website that you can use for your recruiting purposes, also for your resume projects, for your school projects or college projects. The entire website source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Definitely let me know any suggestions in the comment section, and any suggestions if you want to give me also, please let me know in the comment section. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and for more tutorials and for awesome front-end web development, definitely try to visit the channel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The source code is available in the description. If you like the content, Please do like, share, and subscribe. Now let's go through each and every slide. Right now we are in the home section. You can see hover effect on the navbar elements, and you can see an infinity loop of elements here which disclose what the person does, YouTuber, developer. You can see the hover effect on the buttons, and this infinite loop of names that are repeating here is done by using JavaScript library, that is typed JavaScript library. And you can see the sticky navbar as we move to the next section. This is the about section, and you can see the same here. Then you can see the contact me as well as download CV button. Then we can go to the my services. You can see the hover effect and how neatly we have aligned them using the box shadow effect as well, and as well as the icons also. Then we can go to the skills section. Here we have created the bar type representation of our skills. You can see 75%, 80% using CSS and HTML. Then we can go to the testimonial section. You can see here this is done by JavaScript library. Here also we are using JavaScript library for this testimonial section. You can see as it moves from one to the another. You can see like that way, and we can also move from one to another. And then we can go to the contact me section. You can see here we have added the icons as well as the form element and send me button. And you can see an up arrow button to move back to the starting page of the portfolio website. The entire website is made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, very beginner friendly, as well as it is very responsive portfolio website. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab view. Let me show you the mobile view of the website. You can see this is the mobile view of the website. How perfectly they have all been aligned, exactly based on the size of the uh, mobile device. You can see here, we can see the testimonial section, proper alignment as well as the button below it so that we can be able to move. And it is an infinity loop, it will continuously move, showcasing all the testimonials to us. And you can see the contact me section. And now let's see the navbar also. You can see this is the navbar. Very quick, very responsive navbar we have, perfectly aligned. And you can see the hover effects and all. This website is entirely responsive, so it is also available in tab view. This is the tab version of the website. You can see perfectly aligned. You can see two testimonials are right now be showing. And then you can see the contact me section. You can go back to the starting page. So it is a very beginner friendly project and a very professional website, portfolio website. You can make it, it is very useful for you for your resume building, also for your recruiter for getting your first job. And I hope you like the content. I hope you like the portfolio that I've designed. If you want to create your own, the source code and the starter files are available in the description of this video. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Now there are a lot of tutorials available on the on my YouTube channel. You can see the full tutorials. You can get the source code available there. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section, and I would love to know your responses. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. A home page with an night mode and dark mode feature. So now let's go to the website. As you can see, right now we are in the navbar. You can see the underline effect below it. Now you can see the animation effect. Whenever you hover onto the main title, you can see art, a few moments, and you can see the underline effect for the navbar. And you can see on theme change button, that is moon button. You can change the theme of the portfolio head home page. You can see how neatly we have done it by changing from light mode to dark mode. And you can see the social media icons that we have added, like YouTube, and you can see the hover effect, how neatly it is evolving, and we can see the properly alignment of the social media icons, as well as we have also aligned our uh, icons like our skill icons like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, JS as well. And you can see a smooth transition gradient text that we have done. And as you have already seen, we have also added the light dark mode to it, and you can see very cool effect. You can see the color changes from dark to white color. Now let's go. The home page is made out of, it is responsive. That is, it is also available in tab as well as in mobile version. Let me show you that. So now let's go to the mobile version. You can see this is the mobile version of the responsive portfolio homepage. You can see we have the menu bar also here. There's no transition of menu bar, and we have the light and dark mode feature as well. And you can see the smooth transition effect, as well as for the social media icons. You can see perfectly aligned exactly at the center, giving a prominent look. And you can see that in the dark mode as well. You can see perfectly aligned exactly the center, neatly aligned, no station, no changes have been made. Very properly made website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Uh, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share, and subscribe. The full tutorial will be added to the YouTube channel. Definitely, if you want for more amazing content, try to visit the channel. And I hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.